Today we're going to take a look at 2261 Vera Way. We are in Grande Dunes North Village. This is a fantastic gated community, and it is part of the Grande Dunes greater neighborhood. So this particular neighborhood runs along the Intercoastal Waterway. It has great access to everything in Myrtle Beach. It has its own gigantic, beautiful clubhouse with swimming pool, exercise room, meeting space, pickleball courts, the whole 9 yards. Plus, it's also members of the Ocean Club at Grande Dunes. So you have a private oceanfront pool, private beach access, a gorgeous clubhouse, restaurant, everything right on the ocean. Plus, the neighborhood here takes care of all your lawn maintenance. So you've got a really, really great opportunity to get this almost brand new home today. So right when you walk in, you've got this nice foyer, smooth ceilings, great lighting. This house has only been used as a second home, and they've only been able to get into town a couple times, which is the reason why they are letting it go. And it could be yours. So up front here, we have a nice sized guest bedroom. With a nice sized closet. We also have a full bath here. Double sinks. There's me, hi. Nice tub shower combo with ceramic tile. These are nice tall ceilings. Beautiful crown moldings. LVP flooring. And then what we have here is a flex room. So when this house was built, there are a couple of different options with this space. This couple decided to have it as a den or a study or a formal dining room. But if you wanted to, you could put doors on here and turn this into a bedroom. You could add a pass-through here to the bathroom if you'd like. And there are a couple different options, or you could just leave it as is because it's a great space. We're planning on using it as a den. I'll get to the drop zone and garage in a minute, but I want to show you this gourmet kitchen and open living room, dining room, kitchen combo here. So look at this. I mean, I don't think the stove or oven have ever been used. Like I said, this was just a second home. Everything is in like new condition. Not a scratch on the wall. It's a shame that they couldn't get down here more, but that's their loss is your gain. So natural gas community, so there's a gas stove, fan hood, nice tall cabinets. There's a built-in wall oven, so you've got 2 double ovens here and a microwave. Huge pantry. Lots of cabinets, a lot of countertops, and I just love this open kitchen right into the living area. It's a huge room here. And then wait till you see how private this backyard is. You've got a nice covered patio here. And like I said, the HOA takes care of your landscaping, so you've got this great yard here that you never have to cut, and then nothing can be built behind it. So if you walk back to the back property line, first of all, you'll see that it slopes down away from the property, which is good. Then you've got a little strip of nature area here. Then you have basically a fire road, just an old access road. This doesn't go anywhere. This does not go back into Grande Dunes, but if you look right here through the trees, see if I can zoom in, that's the golf course. There's a sand trap right there. So that's one of the golf courses over at Grande Dunes. So there will never be houses built right here. Just a great private backyard. Beautiful community, beautiful homes here. They've got a great outdoor kitchen next door. This is hardy plank construction. It's not wood, it's definitely not vinyl. So this is concrete fiberboard on the exterior. It's tough as nails. Termites don't eat it. It's fire resistant. Great product. Lots of natural light in this home. I love everything about it. You've got a good sized laundry room here, and then a huge master bedroom. It's a king size bed with end tables. You've got a tray ceiling, recessed LED lighting, a walk-in closet that was the size of my first apartment. I mean, huge master bedroom, nice master bath with double sinks. There's also a nice tile shower here with a seat, dual shower heads, and then a linen closet here in the master bath. And there's me again, hi. But wait, there's more. So you've got this great first floor, lots of space. And then back here, I love this. You've got a drop zone. So if you've got shoes, you come in from the beach or the clubhouse pool with a towel, you can hang your coats up here, you can hang your towels up here, kind of sit down here, put on your shoes, put your shoes down in the little cabinets here, or your beach bags like they have in there. There's a coat closet here, a huge storage closet here. I'll talk about storage, wait till you see what I'm going to show you upstairs. And then you probably noticed this from outside, but we have a triple car garage. And like I said, since it's a natural gas community, they have their own tankless on-demand hot water heater, gas hot water heater. Plenty of storage here. And then upstairs, it's like we have a whole nother house. This is the Palladium floor plan, which is one of the most popular floor plans in this neighborhood. And they opted to add the upstairs. And when you add the upstairs, what you get is this huge loft area. It's like a whole nother living room up here. It's like a whole nother apartment up here. So if you've got guests or family that want to come down, there's a full bath up here. There's a bedroom up here. Great area. Lots of space. And then look at this storage room. So you've got a utility storage room here that is huge. Gas furnace, air handler. Again, tons of storage here. And this room is heated and cooled. So although it's unfinished, you don't have to worry about stuff getting too hot or too cold. I mean, this carpet's barely been walked on. So up here you have a guest bath with a tub shower, tile, and then a whole nother huge bedroom up top here. Again, big windows. And I bet nobody spent one night in this bed. Then you've got another nice closet here. And two doors for the bath. So this is a great opportunity in Grande Dunes North Village. This is a better than new home. The last time I checked, they didn't have lots big enough to build this floor plan on with a triple car garage. This is a great deal for somebody looking for a move-in ready house. It's barely been lived in. They've used it as a second home for maybe at the most 2 weeks over the past year. It's unfortunate that their lifestyle changed isn't allowing them to use it as much as they thought. But their loss is your gain. For more information or a private tour, give me a call. My name's Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. My phone number is 843-222-9135. Don't wait. This is a great buy in Grande Dunes.